bird? Taco, are you a pretty bird?
Yes, I am.
Taco's a pretty bird?
I'm like
Oh,
you.
you almost said it.
You worked on me. You
Is
don't
Taco a pretty
complain
bird?
at all.
Taco's a pretty bird?
Little
Yep, Taco's a pretty bird. Can you say it again? Taco's a pretty bird.
bit.
Yep, Taco's a pretty bird. Taco's a pretty bird.
Why?
Is Taco a pretty bird? Yep,
Ask
Taco's
him
a...
if he can talk like a chicken.
Can you talk like a chicken? Can you talk like a chicken? Can you talk like a chicken? No, can you talk like a chicken? Can you talk like a chicken?
That's awesome.
You're such a pretty bird. You're such a pretty... Yeah. See, I can get him to talk. Because I'm not the one who steals his food and tries to pet him.